We're exploring clothing. I need to buy some new clothing for winter. She donated her old clothing to charity last week. Forgot to pack his clothing for the trip. The store offers a wide range of men's clothing. Clothing trends tend to change rapidly each season. Have you ever considered eco-friendly clothing options? The cultural event showcased traditional clothing from different regions. High-performance athletic clothing enhances mobility and comfort during exercise. The designer's innovative approach challenged conventional clothing norms. We're exploring accessories. These accessories perfectly match your new dress. I always forget to pack my accessories for trips. She bought colorful accessories to brighten her outfit. Her jewelry and accessories were handmade by local artists. The store offers a wide range of styles and accessories. His accessories collection includes vintage hats and watches. Mixing and matching accessories can create a unique style statement. Designers are focusing on sustainable accessories this season. Her minimalistic accessories emphasize the elegance of her ensemble. We're exploring style. Her dress always has a unique style. He wants to change his hairstyle for the party. She has a great sense of style. Vintage fashion has come back into style recently. His writing style is easy to understand and enjoyable. She styles her outfits based on her mood. Employers often judge candidates by their style of dress. The architectural style of the building is quite modern. Her leadership style is both inclusive and transparent. We're exploring dress code. Our school has a strict dress code for students. Do you know the dress code for the wedding? The invitation specifies a formal dress code for the gala. Casual dress codes are common in tech companies nowadays. Employees must adhere to the business casual dress code. Our office dress code allows jeans on Fridays. The company's dress code policy emphasizes professionalism and neatness. Changing the traditional dress code may enhance workplace creativity. Ignoring the dress code can lead to disciplinary action. We're exploring trend. Floral patterns are a big trend this summer. She always updates her wardrobe to follow the latest trends. Bright colors are trending this fall in fashion magazines. Many designers set trends that others in the industry follow. His unique sense of style soon became a trend among teenagers. Social media significantly impacts which fashion trends become popular. Analyzing trends requires understanding societal changes and consumer behavior. Forecasting fashion trends involves both art and science, blending creativity and analytics. Cultural influences play a crucial role in the evolution of fashion trends. We're exploring fabric. Bought fabric to make a new dress. This soft fabric feels great on my skin. The fabric comes in various colors and patterns. She examined the fabric's quality before purchasing. The designer recommended using natural fabric for the project. He matched the fabric with the room's decor. This innovative fabric can regulate body temperature effectively. The fabric's durability makes it ideal for outdoor clothing. Integrating smart fabric into fashion can revolutionize the industry. We're exploring design. She likes to design simple, elegant dresses. Can you help me design my new collection? He decided to study design at the fashion school. The design of the jacket included both pockets and zippers. Designing a sustainable fashion line is her ultimate goal. His early design sketches were inspired by nature and art. In modern fashion design, technology plays a crucial role. The designer's avant-garde approach challenges traditional fashion norms. They collaborated internationally to design a culturally inclusive fashion line. We're exploring couture. She wore a stunning couture gown to the gala. Couture clothing is often handmade and very expensive. Couture houses often showcase their work at fashion weeks. The designer's new couture collection received rave reviews from critics. Many celebrities prefer couture outfits for their red carpet appearances. Her interest in couture fashion led her to study design in Paris. Couture involves meticulous craftsmanship, setting it apart from mass-produced fashion. As a couture aficionado, she appreciates the intricacies of bespoke tailoring. Couture ateliers are known for their precision, artistry, and innovation. We're exploring fit. These jeans fit perfectly. I'll buy them. The dress didn't fit her, so she exchanged it. He's trying to fit into his old suit for a wedding. Finding the right fit can transform your entire look. Tailoring can help achieve a perfect fit, enhancing style. She always prioritizes fit when shopping for clothes. The designer emphasized the importance of fit in her collection. Evaluating fit involves more than just measuring dimensions. A garment's fit can redefine its aesthetic appeal entirely. We're exploring collection. I love your new fashion collection. the designer launched a summer collection this week. Her collection includes vibrant colors and bold patterns. The fashion show featured an exclusive autumn collection. He presented his sustainable fashion collection at the expo. Their latest collection embraces minimalist and classic designs. Critics praised the collection for its innovative use of texture. The collection was inspired by architectural masterpieces around the world. This high-end collection caters to those with discerning tastes in fashion.